Hi everyone. Alright, so I'm just doing a quick video to kind of explain how I set up my online course. I will email you this video, and in the email I will explain to you what you specifically need to do for this course to get caught up. So in Schoology, in your courses, you should see this geometry course. It should look like this guy. So if you click on that, these are buttons to start with. So this is a link to my email. This is a link to Mid-Continent Public Libraries. They have tutoring help on the public library site. I believe you need to have a library number in order to get that, but it's a real one-on-one person who can come in and tutor and ask a question. I think you can only have it for a couple minutes, so like I think you can ask one question and then they get off, but then you can go get back into it and ask another question if you have more. Desmos is a graphing website. This is an app for a graphing calculator. If you need a one-on-one session with me, you click on this. It'll bring you to a form, and you'll fill out this form, and then it'll come to me, and then I will email you with a time. However, I do have question and answer sessions throughout the week, so please don't email me asking for a time on a day that I have a question and answer session, because those question and answer sessions are pretty good, because a lot of times I'll have like 6 people in there or something like that, but one question that one student has, someone else has it, so I can get through that problem one time versus like 6 individual times. Khan Academy has great videos just to support you and your understanding. This is a link to the online book, and then here are just quick links to the folders. We are in Unit 1 folder. How I set up my folders is I will go by every week. My weeks in math class, and this may be different than your other classes, go Wednesday to Wednesday. So on Wednesday around noon, just around that time, I will release the new folder. That folder will be dated, it'll say week whatever, so like the one that I release tomorrow on Wednesday, October 21st will be week 7, and it'll say October 21st through October 28th. You have an entire week to do that folder. Most assignments in that folder will have a due date of that following Wednesday. Be careful because you need to look at those and make sure that it is a Wednesday due date. However, in this folder, you should have everything that you need. I will do a video at the beginning of the folder to tell you what you need to do that week. I will then also do a write-up of what I told you in the video of what you need to do that week. I recommend that you always click on this what to do video or write-up and just print it off. That way it'll tell you in order what you need to do, and then you can just cross off each item as you do it. So like in this week here, there were 7 things that you needed to do. This is the first, this is the second, so on. Cross them off as you do it. Okay. So below the what to do, I will go into my video notes. So these are notes that I have made that go straight through your notes and your note packets. And then there's typically a note and then a homework assignment, and then the next notes, and then the next homework assignment. And in this one, there were just 2 concepts being taught that week and a few different homework assignments to go along with it. The notes will be a blank copy of the notes for you to print off will be put into the week's folder if we are starting a new unit. Right now, we are just finishing up Unit 1. I know some of you guys coming in here were a little past Unit 1, so I will just take your transfer grade and put it in for all the assignments that we have, so you have the same transfer grade average right now, and you don't need to make up anything from Unit 1, and you will just start fresh with us on Wednesday. Some of you guys are transferring in, and you weren't done with Unit 1 yet. I am not requiring you to do the material in Unit 1 because I think that's going to be a lot for you to keep up with the new material and going back. However, I do need for you to understand the concepts in Unit 1 because Unit 1 has a lot of material that we will be using the rest of the year. So you will need to go back and watch all the videos for Unit 1. If you want to attempt the homework assignments, you are more than welcome to, but that's completely up to you guys. All right, thanks guys. One thing that I did not mention is that I update grades on Wednesday. So tomorrow afternoon I will update all the grades from Schoology over to PowerSchool. If you turn something in late, it will not be transferred until the following Wednesday. So you could email me and let me know that it's done, but there's no need to do that. I will get to it the following Wednesday and I will transfer it over then. All right, thanks guys.